Hi, loves. Welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce Chick. How are you? If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're not subscribed, welcome as well. Now, today, we got a lot of questions. People keep asking me that how do you take beautiful pictures? How do you take pictures? One thing about beautiful pictures, you need to practice. It's perfect. Okay. So I have few points here that I'm telling you how to improve your selfie game, your photos, even as regarding video as well. First things first, see, you need good lighting. You need good lighting. You need to pay attention to the angles. You might be struggling to get good photos here. It's dark. You can move to the other side. Just turn around your camera and see which one it's perfect. You cannot be snapping with bad lighting. Clean your lens. You see that your phone? See this your phone? This lens, you need to clean it. You need to clean it very well. Clean everywhere. Also, this phone always put in our ears and it gets dirty all the time. Touch, dust, and all of that. So you need to clean it very well. See, for beautiful videos, you cannot be using this front mirror to take beautiful photos. You need to do it like this. You put your mirror in front, then you don't need a new phone, you don't need new gadgets, you don't need new anything. Just clean your lens very well. You are good to go. And again, you see your background, it matters. You cannot be snapping in any other background. You see some people, they have a favorite spot, even though it's not your compound. Some people's environment is so beautiful. So you check your background now. Some things are dirty, clothes hanging everywhere. You want to snap beautiful picture. Possible. It's not possible. Sure, so you need to look at your background very well. Make sure everything, arrange it. Yes, it takes a lot of work. You think perfect pictures just comes like that. It not work. It takes a lot of work for you to get that perfect. Then practice your smile. Before you take beautiful pictures, you must practice in front of your mirror. Some of you don't have mirror in your house. Mirror, you are mirror. That's why you are jakara jakara. That's how some people you just dress. They say, you know mirror about us. Some of you don't come here. You want to take beautiful pictures. Everything has to, before I started doing this video, I had to do a little touch up on my face. I had to comb my hair and make everything really peng and all of that. You cannot accept it. Yes, my friends, we have a code when we are snapping pictures. If our hair is flying, you know what we do? You say, lebe. That's how we have our girls' code. Then when you want to snap picture, maybe your armpit is sweating or whatever, you just cover it and then when you say, talking belly, you clean your tummy. And some of you go, I cannot really get though, talking your belly. We are not even telling you not to do here. Talking your belly. Use what God has given you to manage yourself. I think problem the inside out. Problem not the inside out again. Then make sure you practice how to smile. Some people, they don't know how to smile. They tell you their cheeks is too chubby. When they smile, their eyes are covered. Some people have tiny eyes. So when they smile, you won't even see anything in the eye. So if you want to do that now, you can't bear strong face, straight signature face, practice it. If you know you want to smile, may I have the signature smile. When it's time for today, just tell me, pause. I've practiced it for so long. So you need to learn how to smile. Not every time. See, you can come to a picture. I balance where I arrange myself very well when I want to take beautiful pictures. You cannot see, learn how to make up well. Some of you say, I mean, I fit and I made the device. If you don't do good makeup, you think the filter will help you out. The filter will not help you out. Yes, filters are beautiful. It can take you to America, can take you to Paris, take you to the end of the world. You can change background, change anything. That's the essence of it anyway. But make sure your makeup is even good as well. You check everywhere, your eyeliner, your mascara, your lipstick. If you don't know how to do, don't go and do Calabar makeup. So if you say, my husband doesn't like makeup, well, how do you do the makeup? How do you do the makeup? People say makeup don't look on me, whatever. So people can never rub red lipstick. It will not fit them. Somebody like me, I cannot rub bare pink lipstick. It will not fit me. I have to mix it. I have to do all lips. I have to do combination two-tone lips for it to come out. So you should know what fits you. Ask questions. Tell your friend how far, how they do. They will help you. I know now, my girls, they are not wicked. We're all Jodici. This beauty business, it's all of us. It's all of us. This Jodici, pretty girl. It's all of us that has this business. Then capture candid moments, emotions, experience. See, tomorrow we need a picture. Some of you just allow beautiful moments pass by without getting pictures. The children will go to school, will not stamp them. You come back from school, you not stamp them. You don't have pictures. If you don't like picture, first like picture. Why? I'm not defined for picture. I'm not defined for picture. Have you practiced how to snap beautiful pictures? Capture moments. Capture moments. That's why you have iCloud storage. You can store your pictures forever. Even though they are choking our neck to pay money now. Pay. You save your pictures, save memories, you save pictures. It speaks 1,000 words. If I look at myself 10 years, 15 years ago, I would say, they try. Not the one you don't have any memories to. You don't have any memories because you don't take pictures. You see, it's not good now. It's not good. When you want to take beautiful pictures, you see that thing they call shyness. Timidity. Just put it back. Say, hey, I'll be shy. People will be looking at me. You don't care, baby girl. Confidence. I told you about confidence. It has to be high. You want to snap picture. Do as if your life depends on it. It's a task you need to submit to your guard the next morning. I take pictures very serious. When you want to snap pictures, me, I don't talk. Some people will now be distracting you. Then when they bring the picture, your mouth will now be open. No, when it's time for picture, I pose. I'm there. It's picture time. It's not talking time. Picture time is serious business. Why are you not taking your picture game serious? You not admire this, you want to be like this, you want to. Do you know the effort they put into look beautiful? What is stopping you? Nothing is stopping you. Nothing is stopping you. Laziness, John. I'm not a fine for pictures. You've said it that you are not fine in pictures. And so be it. And we say amen to that prayer. I will do that. You know, saying after this video, even if you don't know how to pose, come and meet me. Like me, when I want to pose, is this my left leg I used to cover my other tummy or whatever? I pose very well. Pose the way you are comfortable. I don't say you to go and pose and go and follow. I take what beg you. If you want to bend down, bend down. If you want to stand, stand. If you want to smile, you want to sit, sit down. So I make sure you arrange everywhere. You understand me? So people, we know you have insecurities. You are scared. Oh, my big tongue will show. My knuckles will show. I had a friend. I never knew this girl had knuckles. When she wants to walk, when she snaps picture, or more, and my friend, you know, then it was a thing, it was a close range. I know so I said, why are you looking like that? I think you have knuckles. She now said, you will never know because you're close to me. Like close range, like we're just together. I just start walking. I said, you have knuckles, but you never know. She knows how to package herself. You have insecurity. You have a scar. You have cover it, hide it in pictures, hide it. Yes, hide it. Hide it. After today, I don't want to hear any story again. You must be taking pictures. You cannot do fine hair and not take picture. You cannot do fine hair and not take picture. Have you heard people saying, this my makeup cannot wait to do? Because picture is very important. You want to remember that day, right, baby girl? See this baby girl lifestyle, this sweet. When you're looking at the picture, oh, baby girl. See more than our Vogue magazine. Hype yourself. You'll be happy. All the one January to December, I don't have any picture to shoot. Some of you, they will tell you to bring headshot photos you don't have. Go studio, go take picture. You must not wait for birthday. You must not wait for birthday. When is my birthday? Even though I don't do photo shoots, some people have saved some of my pictures. But some of you will not do +1 on your birthday, +1. What is +1? No picture. Who should not see? Come out for that era. That era has passed. Let it go. Let it go. We don't need it to. You need to start snapping sweet, sweet pictures. Yeah? Sweet girl like you. Why not snap a picture? Please, snap picture. I encourage you, this few points of mine. I hope to see many more beautiful pictures from you. Always for me, smile. And here we go. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.